Hello, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of carrot gardening. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced gardener, everyone can enjoy the satisfaction of growing their own delicious, crunchy carrots. In this video, we'll cover the basics of starting your own carrot garden. So, let's get our hands dirty. First things first, you need the right location. Carrots love sunlight, so choose a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, prepare the soil. Carrots prefer loose, well-draining soil. Remove any rocks or debris, and enrich the soil with compost for nutrients. When it comes to planting, sow the carrot seeds directly into the soil. Space them about 2 inches apart, and cover them with a thin layer of soil. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. As the carrots grow, thin them to about 3 to 4 inches apart to give them room to develop. And there you have it. With a little patience and care, you'll be harvesting your very own carrots in no time. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll talk about advanced tips to keep your carrot garden thriving. Happy gardening!